Okay guys, so today I'm going to explain you for loops and while loops and do while loops and conditional statements. So let's start by for loop. We can start by conditional statements. So firstly I would write if and I would write my condition inside it. So what I can do, I can prompt choice equals prompt and prompt should be enter 1 for loop and enter 2 for while loop. So I was going to tell you that if I remove and so I've told you that if I was going to tell you that \n is used for it's like used for next line. So now if I write if choice equals. So there are two types. I can write triple equals to 1 or double equals to 1. So double equals to will first try to convert it into string and check or integer and check that does it is like that, or and triple equal to also check data type. So it should be string because it should return string over here. It's strict one, and double equals to is not that much strict. It just checks the value. It doesn't check the data type. So that's how the double equals to. So I would prefer double equals to. After that, I can write block for code, multi-line code, and after that I can write. I am going to create a for I in okay for and brackets. Now inside it first. Okay, so for brackets and it was okay. So inside parentheses I would write let and I'm creating variable. So I can write equals 0 or 1. After that I will write semicolon and I would write my condition is less than, I don't know, it's less than 5. You should do I plus plus. So it's increasing the I value. I should write I over here. So I's value is increasing. I can also write I should be equals to I plus 1. I should equals to I plus 1. So now I is assigned because I can change the value which is created by let. So that's how I'm changing it and increasing it by 1. So it's 1, then it's going to be 2. So I write equals to here. And less than equals to means that until I is less than equals, like it's less than 5 or it should be equals to 5, so the for loop will run. And now inside it I can write my condition, and the condition could be, I can write anything. Let's write console log I and if else if. So this is the condition for second statement. So I can write anything. Also if choice is equals to So what can I do? I can add, oh, let me correct it. C equals 2. So color brackets. Inside it, I can write my code, which could be. So let me create a variable, which should be, and let I equals 1. Oh, let me use some code. And here I can write I after I can write while, and here I can I is less than, or here I just need to write the condition, and I can just write the condition, and after that I can write its work inside it. Some close. After that I can write console dot I. So you're watching that it's console.log I will console it into the I and red, but the I is always 1. It isn't increasing, so I can increase I plus plus y. So plus plus is used for, so if I write after plus plus, so it would increase afterwards. This step will be done and it will increase in the next line of the code. Over here, if I console.log I, it wouldn't be, but if I write I plus plus at the back side, so it would do first, it would increase the I, then it would go to the next line of the code. So this is how it works. So I can also do plus plus over here, I plus plus. And after that, this is the code for add. So let me. Okay, you're watching here. Next line is coming. Add 2 for a while. So I can write 1 or 2. Okay, first let me choose 1. Oh, what's happening? You're watching. Now it's printed 1 till 5. And if I choose 2 for a while, so it's also running the same output. So you're watching how for loops and conditional statements work. So the next one is, and if there's nothing that type of add, so I can just shut up out, and inside add I can write do while loop. So it works like this. I can write do and my work, what I wanted to do. So I just wanted console dot I, and after that, what would I would also increase I plus plus and let I equals to 1 semicolon. And if I don't write semicolon, so it doesn't end, so I have to write semicolon over here because I need it. And after that I would write while is less than or equals to 5. Okay, so this is the code for do while loop, and this is for while loop, and this is for for loop. So now if I open it, so now for F1 for for loop. Okay, so it's printed by, you're watching line is script GS4, which is this one. After that, if I roll it and after 2, so what's happening? If I show you the console, so it's running, and if I open script just line 5, so you're watching it's running by volume. And anything else, if I write it could be 5, 6, any number. I can write any number. So if I show you the console now, so the output is same, and the line is 17. Watching. that how do a loop affects that how it works.